There's 1008 days left till the new halving. Current crypto fear and greed index is at 74%, which is great. And Bitcoin is currently trading at the 44.3k area, which is a parabolic move since yesterday. Bitcoin is just trending upwards. We are seeing some boost in the volume. Current resistance area is at 45.5k, and the bottom of this area is at 45k. So we got plenty of support there. We got this very short-term parabolic support that is still there, that was not broken. Also we got closest support is at 42k, plus this uptrend support. So as you can see, Bitcoin is looking bullish on a 4-hour time frame. MACD is still bullish, RSI is obviously overbought, and currently we are above a MA ribbon. Daily time frame, same on the daily, we are currently above a MA ribbon. We are having more bullish closes. MACD is turning green to another phase, and another green phase. RSI is still overbought on the daily, but again, daily is still in general looking bullish. Weekly time frame, yeah. Weekly time frame, if we're gonna have a close above 46.5k area, that would be insanely bullish on a weekly, but again, weekly is still looking bullish, and as you can see, there's a couple candles left for MACD to finish this red phase, and we may see some boost in the volume on a weekly time frame. So that would be pretty nice. So again, all time frames is currently looking bullish. Everything is perfect. So that's all TA for today. Let's move on to the news again. All news today is currently around this infrastructure bill, and let's start with Elon Musk. So Tesla CEO Elon Musk says there's no crisis that compels hasty crypto regulation. He agrees with the Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong that the US government should not pick winners or losers in crypto innovation. So Brian Armstrong was saying there's a few key moments that define our future. One is happening now in the Senate with the infrastructure bill. At the 18th hour mark, Warner has proposed an amendment that will decide which foundational technology are okay and which are not in crypto. This is disastrous. And obviously Elon Musk replies to it with, agree, this is not the time to pick technology winners or losers in crypto technology. There is no crisis that compels hasty legislation. So as you can see, we are getting some support from Elon Musk on this bill, and from Coinbase CEO, because there's a lot of taxes in this bill for the crypto, and a lot of definition of brokers for entities who are can be defined as a exchange. So let's start with this bill. How it says in the article: the U.S. Senate is poised to vote on a $1 trillion infrastructure bill that will see some 550 billion in new spending for rail network, roads and bridges, water management and plethora, whatever the hell is that, of other issues. Before that, however, it must work through more than a dozen amendments, including 2 that seek a narrow crypto tax reporting provision that would raise about 28 billion over 10 years, which is sounds not that much, but it's just approximate data based on just after that was taken after the year. So in its present form, in this bill, the provision would broaden the definition of a broker. So they're gonna create this new definition broker for any entity within the crypto industry that facilitates the transfer of digital currency for another person. So, for example, technically, anybody who's on a layer 1 will be not taxed, and everybody who's on a layer 2, for example, Lightning Network, would be defined as a broker and would be taxed because, for example, Lightning Network, it's a layer 2 and it's a liquidity provider technically. So anybody who's a liquidity provider would be defined as a broker. Obviously any exchange, but for example, it's good for the altcoins. Altcoins will be not defined as a broker, broker, because all of them on their own, like layer 1. So here's that. And I'm pretty sure like Wales, who is trading on a OTC or just on a layer 1 or any other big companies, I'm pretty sure they would not be taxed, or just if you're on a layer 1 of a BTC you'll not be taxed. But again, if you how it gonna affect like regular traders for us who is using LN, for example? Are we gonna have like a boost in the fees or what? So, and again, also this bill will goes into effect in 2 years. So regardless of which version passes, we have few years to fix this bill, by the way. You can follow us on Twitter for more updates. Also, you can listen to us on Apple, Google, Spotify, Amazon Podcasts, everywhere. And also subscribe to our YouTube for more TA and all of the news. So still waiting for this bill to be passed or declined, whatever. It's getting delayed too much, and tensions is just building more and more. But Bitcoin is just getting more and more bullish, so that's good for Bitcoin. So yeah, that's all TA news for today. Currently watching for our time frame and our 45.5k resistance, which I hope will be broken.